Hi guys, welcome back to Timeless Home Kitchen. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Today we'll be making this delicious plantain porridge. Now I'll tell you the story behind this plantain porridge. You know all those plantain you buy that doesn't get ripe? Yes, that one. That's what I turned into this deliciousness, and I'll tell you exactly how I did it. Let's get right into the video. So for our ingredients list, we'll be using plantain. I'm using both unripe and ripe just because I want that extra sweetness. We have some onion and pepper that's already blended together. We have crayfish, frozen spinach, seasoning, and then we have palm oil. Now the first thing we add in is our unripe plantain because it's tough a bit. It's stronger than the ripe one. Ripe one is already soft, so we'll just cook that first. I added in my onion and habanero pepper mix, and then just give that a very quick stir, and then allow that to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes until like it's half done. That's at that point we're gonna add the ripe plantain. Okay, so now I'll add in crayfish. Just add generously as you'd want to. So this method I use is like a very quick method I always use to make plantain porridge. It's very quick. In 30 minutes food is ready. There's another method where you have to fry use bell pepper and fry it. Or this is like my most preferred method because it's fast, and that's why I'm using that method today and thought to share that with you. So I just give this a quick stir, so everything can combine together. I'll cover it up and allow it to cook. Okay, so now our plantain is well cooked, like halfway there, and now I will introduce the ripe plantain. Now I'm adding this at this point so that it doesn't get too soggy, and now add the red palm oil. So a very good alternative to the red palm oil if you are monitoring or trying to reduce your oil intake or just on a fat loss journey would be red bell pepper. Just blend up red bell pepper. It will still give you that color, okay? But I'm not making this for that purpose, so that's why I added red palm oil. But feel free to use bell pepper if you do not want to add the oil. All right, you'll still get the results, the final results we're all gonna get here. So now I just added fish, give it a very good stir. This fish is properly cooked at this time, so I just took it out to avoid breaking it up or into crumbs just from turning the food. And then finally I introduced the frozen spinach into my pot. Now just a quick tip, I always try to whenever I have a lot of spinach in the fridge, what I do is that I just blanch it up and then freeze it and just use it whenever I want. I just find that very easy and just a tip to avoid wasting your spinach. Now our food is ready. Look at that goodness. You see the porridge. It was very nice. I enjoyed it. My husband did, and I hope you try this at least for this weekend. Something to relax with. And then that's what our food looks like, okay? I'm just trying to zoom in here just to make sure that you see everything. See that bubbling? Make sure you try this weekend, okay? So this is my husband. This is how I served his. For mine, I served it with liver, but just like later in the day, I'll show a clip here. Yeah, that's my food. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.